Today I'm going to show you how to grow longer the rose bushes. If you see these were the leaves around here. I just take the leaves off. Now it's the branch coming out like this. It was the leaf here, I took the leaf off. You can see I took the leaf off here recently. I'm going to show you one more thing. You can see here there's the leaf, and you can see the small spot. If I will take this off, this spot gonna be come out as a branch, because the nature is, for example, that's the tree, and any animal eats the leaves, the next thing gonna come out is the branch to grow more bigger. That's the same thing in this rose bush is the nature. I took care of the leaves. Now here more branch is gonna come out. Look, this is the branch is gonna come out. Here's the branch. Thanks to watch my video. And if you got a rose bush in the house, take off them leaves. Now, look, that's the new bush, new branch. Can you see? You can see. Look, I just took it off about 2 days ago, and the new branch gonna come out from here. I will show you in the next video. Thanks to watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, help other people's. And one more thing gonna happen, if you take them leaves off, your flower gonna get the full energy rather than your leaves. That's why you have to leave couple of leaves here, take care of other leaves, and then it's gonna be grow bigger. But in the next video I will show you. Look at that, I took it off from here. Now the branch coming up, and the same thing coming here, same thing is starting here. When this bush gonna come out, this branch gonna come out, it's gonna come out with the flower. Thank you very much. Hope you're gonna enjoy this video, and it's gonna help your plant to get bigger, with more bushy, with more flower. Thank you. Subscribe my channel. Bye.